Does your business make you money while you sleep? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 84 of our Supersize Your Business Annual Challenge. Let's talk about this today. This is one of my favorite topics. Why? Because I can create something once and can continue to get paid for it over and over and over again. And not only I as an individual, but our company, my company, your company, we can all find ways to create passive income streams in our business and in our life that pay us, whether we're trading our time for money. Active income sources are like a job, anything that we provide us an actual physical service where we could actually calculate an hourly rate for that, or a by minute rate, whatever. Passive income is income that comes to us because we created something once and we get paid over and over and over and over again for it. Or we don't have to personally be physically putting time in and trading our time for money. Most of us have had jobs at some point in our life. I've had jobs. I've had lots of jobs, lots of different jobs where I was trading my time for money. But one of the things I learned early on in my first job out of college was that if I had a business on the side that was running without me, and I was working in my active income, my job, they could both be earning money for me simultaneously. And there's a ceiling on the amount of money that we as an individual can make by trading our time for dollars, right? By being actively involved in something that we're paid for. And there is an infinite amount of possibilities, and there's unlimited ways that we can have passive income streams coming to us because we don't have to be present in order for that to happen. We can make money while we sleep. Who doesn't like making money while we sleep? I like making money when I sleep. Lots of industries promise that, but very few actually deliver it, except to a very small number of people in their organizations. I think network marketing, I think affiliate marketing is a little different because unless the company places an absolute cap on what you can make. And that's, I think, the mistake corporations make, and actually people that hire salespeople make. They put a cap on the amount of commissions that people can make in their organization. And that's why good people leave businesses, even though they're performing really well there. But if there's a cap or a ceiling on how much they can make, usually that is a demotivator. And really, really good salespeople, really good people at any area or aspect or field or specialty in your business will leave if they don't believe they're being compensated fairly. That's why I always like to offer ownership as part of the benefits package for people that work with me. But affiliate marketing is a passive income stream that pretty much everybody could choose to participate in, and all you have to do is share your link to a digital product or service. And then whenever anybody buys using your link, you make a little bit of money all the time. Now, the argument people have against passive income is, oh, it takes so long to build up royalties from my book, or it takes so long to make interest and dividends on my stocks and my bonds. Well, guess what? You're going to have those things anyway. So why would you not want to be creating residual income from those things as you add them to your business and add them to your life? Every single business, and I've been preaching this since the internet became a sure thing, meaning the internet wasn't going to go away and it would become a tool that any business can use. We can find ways to digitalize our products or services. We can find areas of expertise that we could create courses or digital products in, and then set them up with an affiliate program. So it's not just our organization out pushing and selling and promoting the products. We can create a software as a service where we create the software once and people pay for it over and over and over again. Now, I will contend that software as a service requires maintenance and input into that, but not necessarily by me. So if I create a mobile app, if I create a worksheet or a tool that people can use to build and grow and supersize their business, I create it once and then I hire people to continually improve and make it better and to run it and house it and everything. But then I get a portion of the funds that are brought in from the sale of that until the software as a service is no longer a viable product, which we're never going to let happen, right? So we understand that active income means we're trading our time for money. Passive income is all these different possible ways and streams of having money come to us or through our business that we don't have to actively trade dollar for dollar, time for dollars. And passive income, although we only each have 24 hours in a day, passive income is actually unlimited because we're not dependent on the finite amount of time that we have. So I guess our question for today is, and I'll ask just a couple of questions. How would your business change if you had an extra 500 to 5,000 or even more? I know people that are making $1 million a year. I know companies that are making millions of dollars a year passively because they have created one of these streams of income for them. So who wouldn't want to do that? If you could have even just $500 or $5,000 extra coming to you through passive income streams through your business, why wouldn't you do that? Most people just think it's going to be too hard, but it's actually one of the easiest things that you can do. One of the easiest businesses you can start is affiliate marketing, right? Selling and other people's products and getting a commission off them. Nowadays, some people pay 50 to even 100% when you offer and get people to try their products and services. Remember when I worked with ClickFunnels, when they first rolled out their challenges, they offered a $100 bounty, which was what the price of the entire program was. Why? Because they knew people were going to jump on that and go out and sell that. And literally people made and built $1 million businesses on that promise and on that platform themselves. So that was a pretty cool thing to participate in. I wish I would have been smarter and participated in it more, but that was another time, and I was busy doing other things. So how do we go about doing this? I guess let's just think about it today and ask ourselves, what are some passive streams of income that we could start exploring in our business? Maybe you just have one or two people in your organization, or you sit down with one or two people in your organization and you brainstorm possibilities. I cannot think of an industry right now that is not able to find some type of expertise, product or service, or software as a service or tool that they can't digitize and turn into an online product. The barrier of entry to this is so low. There's literally millions and millions of opportunities out there that we can explore and apply to our business. If you need help with that, please reach out and ask. Nobody should say, I don't know what to do, so I'm not even going to try it, about passive income, in my humble opinion, of course. So today, share in the comments below, do you have a passive income stream for your business? Yes or no? If the answer is yes, share what it is and how you went about building it and starting it. Maybe just how you started it for the people that are looking for starting a new stream. I say you add a new passive stream every year to your business, because that's the way you really create infinite income and infinite possibilities for yourself and for the people in your organization. And just share that in the comments below so we can inspire and learn from one another. That's what this segment is all about. That's what this challenge is all about, is how can we learn from one another, not just from me and the things I've done, because I'm only one person and cannot share and do and possibly try out everything, so I can mess it up and share with you what not to do. So let's learn from one another. Any questions about this, hit me up and ask. I'm obviously extremely tired and discombobulated, but hang in here anyway. All right, have a great day, and I'll of course be with you tomorrow.